In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable cash on delivery quickly and easily. This is a fantastic option for many online businesses that cater to customers who prefer paying in cash rather than online transactions. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step to get this feature up and running on your WordPress site using Woocommerce. First off, you'll want to head to your WordPress dashboard. If you haven't already, make sure you've installed the WordPress software because that's where we'll be making all the necessary changes. Once you're in, look for the familiar dashboard link. You'll find this in the main menu on the left-hand side. Give it a click to open up the area where you manage your site's essential functions. Next, we're going to dive into Woocommerce. For those who might be new, Woocommerce is a plugin specifically designed for e-commerce purposes within WordPress. It's powerful and makes managing online sales a breeze. So find the Woocommerce option in your dashboard menu. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to a section dedicated to managing your store's settings. Once you're in the Woocommerce section, our next stop is the Settings tab. This is where you can adjust all your store's various functionalities and features to match your needs. So go ahead and click on Settings. This will bring you to a new screen filled with numerous options for running your online shop efficiently. Continuing through the Settings menu, we want to focus on adjusting our payment options. Here you'll find a tab labeled Payments. Click on it. This will take you to a list of all the available payment methods you can offer your customers when they check out. Now, if you have the professional or pro version of Woocommerce, you'll see a variety of payment methods that you can set up to enhance your customer's experience. This flexibility is great for tailoring your shop to fit your specific market needs. For the cash on delivery option specifically, you might need the Pro version to fully customize your setup. Once you've set it up, or if you're ready to configure it, look for the cash on delivery option in this payment methods list and click on it. You'll see a box where you can enable this feature. All you have to do is check this box to enable cash on delivery for your store. And there you have it. With cash on delivery enabled, you provide an additional, customer-friendly payment option that might just help increase your sales. Don't forget to save all your changes before leaving the page to ensure everything is up to date. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you and your business.